How's everybody doing today? This is a Must Red Air Gunner back with you. The rain sort of stopped a little bit now, so I'm going to see if we can shoot a little bit. I'm going to shoot my 357 with some Custom Lead Solutions 145 grain fireball at 50 yards and 100 yards and see how they shoot. So hold on. Okay, hold on, I'll air up and then we'll go to 100 yards. Okay, now we're going to try 100 yards. Okay, hold on a second and then we'll go down see how good a shot. Like I say, 357 Challenger Pro shooting Neil Clay's 145 grain fireball. So hold on and we'll go see what it done. Okay, here we are at 50 yards. There's 3 shots right there at 50 yards. That one there hit a little bit low, but that could have been me, but I ain't gonna make no, like I say, make no excuses. But right there's 3 of them at 50 yards. Pretty darn good. That's Neil Clay's 145 grain fireballs. I like that. Now we're going to 100 yards. Okay, we're back here at 100 yards. Not bad. I like it. Like I say, that's Neil Clay Custom Lead Solutions 145 grain fireball, shooting out of the Challenger Pro regular stock barrel, not the 30-inch barrel, but the regular stock barrel. That's pretty darn good right there for 100 yards. I like it. And this here was 2 shots on that. 2 shots on that I was shot. But as you can see, I was shooting way there out of the house there. But I like it. That's pretty good. This is a Muskrat Air Gunner. Please like and subscribe.